You'll have love at first sight with the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. Relax and enjoy the road trip in this convenient, well-equipped Santa Fe. Crossover versatility, striking looks, the latest infotainment and safety tech, and a spacious, comfortable cabin are yours in this stylish, family-focused SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, hands-free liftgate, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, navigation system, backup camera, remote engine start, premium sound system, keyless start. Get the comfort, features, and style you deserve. This Santa Fe is waiting to take you places. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.